"The request is not supported" is one of the most confusing error messages that can pop up on your Windows computer. And if you happen to have the same error, let's explore what troubleshooting steps you can use to get rid of this error. To start, try repairing your drive. To do so, launch Command Prompt with admin rights. Run the following commands one by one, then restart your computer, and then check the results. Next, run an in-depth antivirus scan to detect and remove any malicious code or malware. Just try to update your antivirus to the latest version, and then scan absolutely all files stored on your machine. Next, disconnect all other external devices connected on your computer, then go to Windows Update, and then check for updates. Lastly, clean boot your computer by launching Task Manager, click on the Processes tab, and then force stop all background programs that you no longer need or use. And those are the different options on how you can fix this error message on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.